Hello, second graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. Please get your math book. We are on lesson 5 and open page 21. Let's go to our page. So what we have, count on and count back. All right. What do we have today? We have number line. So we need to use the number line to find out the equation or subtraction we have. Using the number line, we can count on or count back to subtract. So let's have an example. 12 take away 4. I'm using my number line, so I'm gonna come for 12. I'm gonna mark here, take away 4. This is number 4, and I'm gonna mark it here. All right. When we use count on, that means we're gonna look at your lesser number, a smaller number you have, and then you're gonna count on after that number to reach that big number you have. So 12 take away 4, we're gonna say after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But since we're gonna use the number line, we're gonna do it this way. So 5 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I'm gonna stop at 12 because this is my big number. So count on, you start after the smaller or the lesser number that you have. And then count how many steps did I jump to reach my big number. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I jumped 8 steps to reach my big number. That's mean 12 take away 4 equals 8. All right, what if I'm gonna use my count back? All right, let me use a different color. All right, count back, it's the opposite. We said count on, we're gonna count after the lesser number. Now, count back, we're gonna start from our big number, and we're gonna jump or go backward steps. How many steps? 4, because my second addend or my smaller number or less number is 4. So I'm gonna start from the 12 and I'm gonna go 4 steps. So this is 1 step I'm gonna use here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Where did I land? I landed on 8. So remember, when we count on from 4 till 12, there were 8 steps. And when I count backward or count back using the online, I start from my big number and I went 4 steps. Why 4? Because 12 minus 4, my second addend is 4. And I landed again on 8. So if you count on or you count backward, your answer or your sum will be the same. All right, let's go for next page. And let's listen to the video.
You can count on or count back to subtract on an open number line. Do you think you will get the same answer whether you count on or count back? Let's find out. Find 10 minus 4.
You can count on to subtract. Draw each move as you count.
Start with the lesser number. Count on to 10 to find the difference. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You count on 6 spaces to get from 4 to 10. So 10 minus 4 equals 6. You can also count back to subtract. Start with the greater number. Count back 4 spaces. 9, 8, 7, 6. You land on 6, so 10 minus 4 equals 6. counting on and counting back give you the same answer.
All right, so we got this. If you count on or you count back, your answer will stay the same. All right. Now, how can you count back on a number line to find 9 take away 5? Again, we have two ways. Either you start from the lesser number and you count on. So here's my less number 5 and the big or the other number 9, and then you're going to count on till you reach your big number, or count backwards. So we're going to start from our big number to reach the smaller number, and we see where do we land. Okay. Okay, let's see this together. Page 22, count on or count back to subtract. Show your work on the number line. All right, 11 take away 4. So I have this is the 11, and this is take away 4. So as you see the arrows, that means we count backward. So what we have to go, we need to go 4. We need to go 4 steps. So backward. So start from 11. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where did I land? I land on number 7. Okay, let's go for second one. 14 take away 7. All right, this example we went backward. This one, number 2, let's do count on. So I'm gonna know this is my 7 and this is the 14. Okay, count on means I'm gonna start from starting with my lesser number. So 8, so let's go 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm gonna stop on 14, but this is my addend here. And now count how many steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 14 take away 7 equals 7. All right. And I use my open line, number line. Okay, let's go for next page. This is independent practice. This is your turn to do it. So you have here 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 questions, or yeah. So I want you to do a couple of them using backward or count on. So you use either count on or count back. So use one question, count on, which is starting after the small number, and the second question, go back, count back when you're starting from the big number and count how many steps. All right. How can you, number 7, how can you count on to find 13 minus 4? So you can use any of your number line, or you can draw a number line here, and then you can do that. How can you count on? Remember, count on means you're going to start from the lesser number, which is number 4. All right. So let's see what's next. All right. Page 24. Question 8. Callie had 18 seeds. She painted 10 of the seeds. How many seeds does Callie have now? So she total have 18. She painted 10. How many she planted 10? I'm sorry, planted 10. So how many she has now? She left, didn't plant it yet. So we're going to subtract. So 18 minus 10. So we're going to draw your number line, or you can use any number line in the previous page and use your numbers. You know, you can count on, so start from the lesser number, or you can count back, start from your big number. Number 9 makes sense. Peter has 13 grapes. He eats some of the grapes. Peter has 10 grapes left. How many grapes did Peter eat? Remember, total he has 16. He was eating some, but he didn't see how many he ate. And then after that, he found out that he has 10. So what we're going to do, we're going to say 16 take away 10. And what's left, that's that grapes that Peter has with him now. So again, you're going to use your number line, or you can draw some, like circles and you X, or you can use counters. All right, number 10. Choose two numbers. Use the numbers to write or draw a subtraction story. Write the equation you use to solve your story. So you can just come up with anything you like. You can say, like one of the examples here, Ali had 15 stickers. He gave away 10 to his friend, or 4 to his friend, or 9 to his friend, whatever you like. So you're using this box to write your story, or you can draw it and then you write your equation here. Okay, number 11. Jackie wants to find 6 minus 3. Use the numbers on the cards, write them in the boxes to show how to use a number line to count on to solve. Remember, count on. So when we count on, what we're going to begin with? Very good. We're going to begin with the smaller number. I have 6 minus 3. So we're going to use the smaller number. So we're going to begin with 3. Then we're going to count on after 3, 4, 5, 6. Or to help you, we can come here and we say we have 6, take away 3. So this is 6 and this is 3 and 6. Now we said count on. So we're going to start from the small number. So 3, after 3 we counted 4. After 4 we counted 5. After 5 we counted 6. So that's what you're going to write here. 3, and after 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right. That's it for today, second graders. Thank you. Hello, second graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. Please get your book, and we are on lesson 6. Think addition to subtract. All right. How can you use an addition fact to find 14 minus 6? Use counters to help to show how. All right. So in this lesson, we need to find the relation between the addition and the subtraction, how they are related. So for example, 14 take away 6, or 14 minus 6. All right, let me write here. I say here 14 minus 6 equals, let me draw here 14 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Now take away 6. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's count how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 14 take away 6 equals 8. All right. That's mean 6 plus 8 equals, very good, 14. So if I add 6 plus 8, my answer will be 14. Because here I have 8, and I have the 6 that I x them. If I remove this and I add them together, it will be 14. So 6 plus 8 equals 14. All right, what if I say 14 take away 8? What do you think your answer will be? Very good, 6. If I have the 14, and then instead of I take away 6, I will take away 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So as you see, when I subtract, either addend, I'm going to still have the same number. So if I say 14 take away 6 equals 8, 14 take away 8 equals 6. If I say 6 plus 8, your answer will be 14, right? And that's why we say they are related, because I'm still using the same number. So if I have the total and one addend, I'm going to take away and I'm going to have the second addend. Okay. Remember, when we were in first graders, we used to do the same, but we used to do something, wasn't challenging enough. I'll remind you, for first graders, we used to go like that. We used to have the box, remember? And then I have my total here, 14. And I have the parts that I know, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me make this nicer. Okay, now I have 6 on one side. I have my total, and now I need to get the missing part. So I used to say 14 minus 6, and then we count on, remember? 6 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then we used to count how many counters did I draw. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equals 8. So that was first grade, but now we're in second grade. So we need to find the relation between the subtracting and addition. And that's why the lesson today is think in addition to subtract. Let's go for next page and listen to the video.
Find 15 minus 7. How can you use addition to help you do subtraction? One way to subtract is to think about addition. To find 15 minus 7, you can think 7 plus how many more is 15, or 7 plus equals 15. How could you get from 7 plus equals 15 to 15 minus 7 equals? Let's think about it. 7 plus equals 15 is the addition fact that uses the same numbers as the subtraction fact. What can you say about the missing numbers? Select your answer.
So over here, we're looking for 7 plus something will give you 15. And if I find this answer, that means 15 minus 7 will be the same number I found it here. Because remember, these all the numbers I'm working with. So they're going to be always 7 plus 8 equals 5, equal 15. That means 15 take away 7 would be, again, the 8. Very good.
The missing number is the same in both number sentences. How do you know it is the same number? Because the addition and subtraction facts are related. They use the same three numbers. What is the missing number?
Okay, we know that it's 8.
The missing number is 8. You know the addition fact. The addition fact is 7 plus 8 equals 15. So you also know the subtraction fact. The subtraction fact is 15 minus 7 equals 8. Explain in your own words how addition and subtraction are related. One way is if you know an addition fact, you also know its related subtraction fact. Is there another addition fact that relates to 15 minus 7 equals 8? Yes, there is another addition fact. What is it? Another addition fact is 8 plus 7 equals 15. Now you know how to use addition facts to help you learn subtraction facts.
Okay, let's go back to our book and let's go for the next exercise. Show me how do you know which addition fact to use to complete the subtraction facts. So what we know that addition facts, if you have the one addend and you have the total, we can do that. So if I put my example here, we know that, for example, 8 minus 3 equals 5. That's mean 5 plus small number 3 equals 8. Okay. You can do any example you would like to. Okay, guided practice. Let's see what we have here. 6 minus 4 equals, that's mean 4 plus what give you 6? 4 plus something equals 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. So 6 minus 4 equals 2. Let's go for question 2. 9 take away 3 or minus 3 equals something. That's mean 3 plus something equals 9. So 3 plus, very good, 6 equals 9. That's mean 9 minus 3 equals 6. As you see, the answers remain the same. Go for question 3. 14 take away 5 equals, so 14 take away 5 equals, that's mean 5 plus something equals 14. If I'm gonna do my subtract, count on, so after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, I know I count 9 steps. So 5 plus 9 equals 14. So 14 take away 5 equals 9. Right? It has to be the same. Now number 4, 12 take away 4. That means 4 plus something equals 12. 4 plus, very good, 8. That means 12 minus 4 equals 8. All right, let's go for next page. And that's your turn. Independent practice. So you have from number 5 till number 14, you do the same. 8 take away 1, your answer will be, so that's mean 1 plus the answer you find equals 8. As we say, this is a proof that addition and subtraction are related. All right, let's go for next exercise. All right, number 17. Kate had 6 pens. She got 5 more pens from John. How many pens does Kate have in all? So she had 6, and then her friend gave her 5 more. So this is an addition. What are we gonna say? Gonna say 6 plus 5. And I'm gonna add. So 6 plus 5 equals, very good, 11. Because I know my doubles and near doubles. So double 5 is 10, and 1 more, 11. So how many pens she has so far? Total 11. All right. John had 11 pens. He gave 5 pens to Kate. How many pens does John have now? All right. Listen, we're still talking about addition related to subtraction. How many pens John had? He has 11. He gave away, so minus. How many did he give away to his friend? How many did he give? He gave 5. So 11 take away 5 equals, very good, 6. So how many he gave away? He gave away 6. He have now, so John have 6. He had 11, he gave away 5, so now he had 6 with him. Okay, write subtraction story using the numbers 18 and 10. Then write an addition facts that can help you solve the problem in your story. So we're gonna say, for example, there were 18 grapes in my lunchbox. I ate 10 grapes. How many grapes do I have left? So this would be your story. So let's write it here. For example, there were 18 grapes in my lunchbox. Okay, what happened? What's the number they want me to? 10. So okay, I ate 10 grapes. So how many grapes do I have now? Okay, I'm gonna and then we're gonna write these down here. Okay, then we're gonna do our math part. Our math part will be we say 18 and 10. So I'm gonna write here 10 plus 8 equals 18. Because I subtract 18, take away 10. So you can draw pictures or you can just do it on a side. So 18, that's total grapes, take away 10 and equals 8. That's mean 8 plus 10 equals 18. All right, let's go for number 20. Pam has 16 cherries. She eats 7 cherries. Which additions fact can help you find how many cherries Pam has left? 7 plus 4? Remember, my answer has to be 16. And one of my addend would be 7. So it's 7 plus something equals 16. You look for, is it choice A, choice B, choice C, or choice D? All right. Okay, second graders, that's it for today's lesson. Thank you. Bye-bye.